Today we're going to take some tarnished silver and clean it, in the absolutely least effort way I've ever found. For this you'll need a big bowl and some tinfoil. Place the silver on the foil so that each piece you're trying to clean touches the foil. Actually, let's change the camera angle. So, the silver is touching the tinfoil. And now sprinkle on a teaspoon of salt, just normal table salt. Now pour on boiling water until the silver is completely submerged. After a few seconds, the silver is clean. Dry with a hand towel and you're done. Now, to the one and only downside. It stinks pretty bad. I'm terrible at chemistry, but the tarnishing is some sulfur compound, and as whatever chemical process that happens, the sulfur is released, and it creates an absolutely infernal stink. So keep a window open. But yeah, that's it. Quick one this week. Hope you enjoyed.